Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. We are throwing it back and doing an Amazon haul. It has been forever since I have done one of these on my channel, and I used to do them all the time. I just love Amazon for the ease of finding anything that you desire. So many different miscellaneous things from different categories, but I thought I would go ahead and share with you guys some of these items I got for Christmas. Many of these I purchased for myself, so yes, everything will of course be linked in the description box below, as well as in my Amazon storefront. I'm going to try to make sure that all of those items are in there as well. So the first thing I'm going to start out with are these silicone baking sheets. I did buy these with the holidays in mind and baking cookies and treats. I made like pecan turtles and things. These are incredible and so inexpensive. I did get a pack of 3 that are different sizes. So I have like this little mini size, medium, and a regular cookie sheet size. They have so many different sizes, packs of, you know, varying quantity and color, but I highly recommend these. You don't have to worry about constantly running out of wax paper or like nonstick cook spray or anything. These wipe clean so easily, and everything that I have made on them comes off like a dream, and then I don't have to worry about my cookie sheets, which are in a horrible condition anyway. Staying in the kitchen for this next item are these double-bladed salad chopping scissors. I have been wanting these for a couple of years now. Finally got them for Christmas. And what they are is, I mean, just what I said, they're salad chopping scissors. I'm sure you can cut other things in the kitchen with them, but I love chopped salads, mixing in all of your toppings and your dressing and then chopping everything up so like everything is nice and cohesive, and when you get that nice bite with everything in it and you're not having this like long awkward piece of salad hanging out of your mouth, it just tastes better when it's chopped. It's science. It does. These ones come with a little like safety lock so that you can just throw them right in your drawer. They're, you know, not exposed or anything, and then nice and compact. I haven't tried these just yet, but stay tuned to Instagram stories. Probably this week I will give them a try on my my Instagram and let you know. I know I'll show them on YouTube eventually too, but just stay tuned. I'm sure they're great. I've seen reviews that seem amazing. Okay, I guess we will stay in sort of kitchen. This is the only item that I'm sharing that has to do with my child today, surprisingly. You know how it goes. Christmas was basically all Amazon, and you've already seen those items. So I did go ahead and get her this Bent Go Kids snack container. So we have Bent Go lunch boxes, not the lunch box, you know what I mean, like those Bent Go containers that I basically pack Sydney for school lunch every single day, and those work amazing. We love them. I love them. But my thought with getting the snack container, we're in winter, of course, while I'm filming this, and I do tend to give her warm foods in her thermos often, but then, so she has her meal in her thermos, and then everything else is kind of you know, just like thrown in there, or I don't really have good containers for them. So I thought this would be perfect on days that she has her thermos, and also keeping this separate temperature wise, because if she has a hot thermos and then I have cold items with ice packs, I just want everything to kind of fit in there nicely and stay temperature appropriate. I haven't opened this. I literally just got this in the mail yesterday, I think. So they have several different colors, and this one has 2 different compartments. So it has a larger, I think it's like 1 cup, and then like a 1/4 cup or 1/2 cup. I don't know what it is. The specs are online. And then they do have that rubber seal here. I'm not certain if it's as good of a seal as the lunchbox is. I will definitely give this a test and let you know. But like I said, we love the lunchbox kind, and then it'll be perfect for like just a little snack, fruits and veggies, crackers, a nice little container to keep everything separate. And we can bring this on the go with us as well. Totally bring this in the car. You can throw it in your diaper bag if you have a little one. It's definitely going to be really easy for the kids to open themselves. we shall see. Oh, and the most important part as a mom, this part right here does come out and go in the dishwasher. You'll have to wash this by hand, just like the other Bengo containers. I don't know why this has taken me so long. I've been a mother for almost 6 years now, and I'm finally getting myself this little set of mini screwdrivers. If you're a parent, you absolutely know why you need these in your life. All of these toys have the tiniest of screws, and then they're like so deep in there that you can't get them out to replace batteries or to even put batteries in them. And then we have just sad children because their toy doesn't work. Anyway, I finally purchased this, and it's probably gonna be the best purchase of my life. They have 6 different, 6 different pieces of magnetic tip screwdriver set. These are going to be absolutely perfect for those little toys to change those batteries and get in there. For years now, I've been using eyelash scissors. I call them eyelash scissors, you know, like the cosmetic beauty scissors that you can find in the beauty section to trim the eyelashes or cuticles or whatever. I've been using that to try to like get in there and change the batteries and open up the screws. So happy about this purchase. I will be putting this to use, I'm sure, ASAP. Staying in the home section, I got this pack of 10 clear adhesive hooks to go. I have an idea in mind. I want to put 1 or 2 in my garage to hang up Sydney's wet snow pants and coats, hats and mittens when she is playing outside. Of course, we live in Maine, and so we're constantly getting, you know, soaking wet, muddy, playing in the snow. And I am having her strip in the garage, and then I'm hanging them literally in my hallway on the pantry door with a towel underneath. It's just not the best situation. So I wanted to go ahead and grab hooks for the garage so that I can hang up her snow pants and coats. And these supposedly hold, I have not hung them just yet, but I will hopefully do that for this video. Supposedly hold, I think it's up to 40 pounds each. You don't have to screw them into the wall or anything. And so it just are these plastic adhesive hooks and the metal hook right here that you can go ahead and put on it. And so I just thought that this would be absolutely perfect for right inside the garage, right near our door, to hang up Sydney's wet clothes and just have them dry out there, at least for a little bit. I will go ahead and let you know what I think of these. 10 hooks were under $10. And apparently they have great suction power, and then they can come right off as well without damaging your wall. That's what they claim in their description anyway. This next item has probably changed my life in a very dramatic way. I'm sure if you guys have been watching my channel for any amount of time now, you know how much I needed this. I went ahead and got a charging station for Christmas, and this has 6 different USB ports, different acrylic sections that you can go ahead and leave out or put in. And this just plugs into your wall, and you can charge multiple devices at different times. You guys, this is probably my absolute favorite thing that I got for Christmas, because my counters have never been more organized. And not only that, but it comes with all kinds of different USB cords as well for varying different products. This charges not only my phone, but it charges my backup battery, Sydney's tablet, my ear pods. It came with another little section that can charge or hold Apple AirPods as well as an Apple Watch. So it comes with this. You can go ahead and pop in if you desire. It comes with many other cords for charging, and so I don't have to fumble through. I had a wicker basket with all kinds of different cords with all of my devices just thrown in there, and then I could never find the right cord to plug in a specific device. It was just a cluttered nightmare, and one of my goals for 2023 is to be more organized, and this is helping me so much. And not only is it functional, you guys, this thing charges so fast. I will put my phone on there and it charges it way faster than just plugging my phone into the wall. I highly recommend something like this. It has truly changed my life in a very dramatic fashion. This is so random and like, why am I even showing this in an Amazon haul? But I'm going to because I don't know, I'm just going to. I got a huge pack of striped lined paper for my lists. I am such a to-do list person. I write out Sydney's lunch and snacks ahead of time. I write out my to-do list. I write out just business things, and I'm just constantly writing on paper. Anyway, I just had to go ahead and share this because I need lined paper, and I don't want to buy a spiral bound notebook or a $10 pad of paper from the store. So really inexpensive lined pads of paper. If you are a list person, you know. The next item is a repurchase for me. It is the Aveda Heat Relief Thermal Protector and Conditioning Mist. This is so good. Yes, you can buy it on their site as well or from a salon. Aveda does have their own store on Amazon, so you know it's actually their product and not like a knockoff or anything. I love this conditioning mist. I spray it all over my dry hair before I go ahead in with my straightener, and it conditions. I feel like it smooths out my hair. I have very coarse dry hair naturally, and so this helps tame the frizz, and it helps just smooth out and condition my hair, as well as protecting it from all of the heat, which is huge. When I don't have this and I'm either not using a heat protectant or I'm using another one that I have, I definitely notice the difference. So highly recommend this if you are in the on the market for a heat protector and you have really dry hair. Love this. I just got this in the mail literally today. I was waiting for it to come in to film this video. I got a couple of things in today. These are those bow headbands. You know what I'm talking about. You know, I'm sure you've seen all of the other influencers wearing these little cute like terry cloth bow headbands. Well, another one of my goals for 2023 was and is to continue with my skincare and actually wash my face at night, take things off. Well, I just despise getting my hair wet like that. You know, when you're washing your face and your hair's getting wet, or the water running down your arms, it just is one of those sensory things that really drives me nuts. So I thought I would go ahead and get these. These are really soft, actually. It's a pack of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different headbands in many different colors, and just cute. A nice way to keep your hair out of your face while you're doing your makeup, washing your hair, keeping your hair dry, and makeup free as well. Really inexpensive purchase, but I've always wanted them. I do have a couple of other ones, like other things that are more Velcro, but I think I only have one of them and it's already just not enough. I got these for Christmas. These are heat holder socks. I just pulled them out of the dryer because I wore them the other day. We were playing in the snow outside. So these are apparently 3 times more warm, or keep your feet 3 times more warm than like regular socks. I have horrible circulation in my feet and they're always cold, and I'm always layering up, wearing wool socks with regular socks. Anyway, my mom went ahead and got me these for Christmas. I definitely noticed the difference in my foot warmth. I did layer these with my regular socks as well, because these are not necessarily, I would need like full-on furnace heated socks in order for my feet to stay warm outside. That's just me personally. So if you're a normal person, I think these would probably be just great for you to layer with regular socks and in your boots if you were hanging outside in the snow, playing with your kiddos, and just gonna be outside for a long period of time. Sticking with warm things, I finally got my first electric blanket. I don't know why I have never had one of these before, but I finally got one and I love it. So when I'm editing my YouTube videos, I'm sitting right there on those plasticky cold chairs with my glass table. So whenever, you know, when you're sitting still and your blood's not flowing, you're gonna be freezing, right? And so this has become so amazing to just plug in my electric blanket and have that with me while I'm editing and I'm not frozen and chilled to the bone. This, now I will say, a quick disclaimer, it's probably not the best heated blanket you will ever have, but it's very inexpensive. So I feel like you get what you pay for, that's for sure. I think it was only $35. It does have 3 different heat settings. I have noticed I will crank it right up to the highest setting and it's just fine. It's not necessarily, you know, oven warmth, you know what I mean? But also when it's not plugged in, it's the softest, warmest, just in general blanket, and it's cute. It comes in many different colors. This is the pink, and I think it comes in like tan and gray, maybe even navy. And it has that really fluffy, warm Sherpa lining. You guys, it is so soft. I have no complaints. Maybe I do wish it would like cook me a little bit more, but it's working just fine for editing. It comes with this and it has like a safety off. I think it's after, I don't know, a few hours, it will shut off automatically in case you accidentally leave it on, but it comes with a warm, low, medium, and high setting. Like I said, mostly I will leave it on medium or high. I don't really notice a huge difference between the two. Yeah, love it. Plugs in right here on the side of the blanket. You can unclip it, just use this, you know, as a regular blanket if you want. Put this on your bed, warm up your bed before you get inside it at the end of the evening. So nice to actually be warm for once. I used to suffer miserably from being cold all the time, and I'm like, why don't you help yourself and get products that will help you stay warm? The last item I got is a sweatshirt. You guys, Amazon is having a huge moment with their fashion. So many people are finding amazing products on Amazon for fashion, and I'm finally discovering them as well. I got this sweatshirt that is super, super popular. Hopefully you can see without the sun shining in. I went ahead and got this sweatshirt that has been really, really popular, has really good reviews and many different colors. I went ahead with an ivory color, and it does zip up. Doesn't have a hood. I don't know what you call that top, like turtleneck top kind of. And I just can't have enough t-shirts and sweatshirts. So naturally I got myself another one. It seems like really decent quality. I think it was like 35-ish or $30 when I went ahead and purchased it. Comes in many different colors. It has this seam that kind of goes all the way around the midsection. And I really like that 3/4 zip. I can't have too many sweatshirts and t-shirts. So that is going to do it for everything that I've recently acquired from Amazon. Again, everything will be linked in the description box below if you are interested in any of these items. If you have found an item that you can't live without that has changed your life, whether it be organizing, clothing, beauty, home, all of the above, let me know in the comments down below, because I love Amazon. I love finding good finds on there. Yes, love it. So I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.
Let me love you.